thought I'd give you a quick run of the lay of the land here. So as we come down to the basement, we're going into the area of the gas riser or the intake. So to show you what's happening here, there's the big entry. This is the big pipe that comes in. And over here, you can see this green item here is kind of dark, but that is the cathodic isolation valve that Con has installed. And there's another one here. It goes to the furnace meter, and according to Joe, this is not necessary and therefore will not be up to code. Line comes in and divides here to the kitchen line and to the furnace line, goes through the furnace meter, exits, and then goes through this corroded bit of line which needs to be replaced, up to the ceiling and into the boiler room. And on the gas line side is the meter that they've cut off. And one of these lines, this is the input right here, goes through the meter, comes up this line, and then there's a T-junction here, again corrosion here. One goes to the A side and one goes to the B side, and the B side goes through the boiler room onto the other side, which I will show you. But what happens with the A side riser is now we have to go over to the laundry room, and it takes a very convoluted route as it comes from this area. As you can see, this pipe there, it comes in, makes a 90-degree turn, and then comes over here, and these are some of these junctions that are not up to code. And this is what DOB will say at the end of the job: this is not to code, this has to be replaced. And Win will then tell you, oh, sorry, we have to do this, and it'll delay the project and add more expense, and that's how they're gonna get us. It goes over here where Win has cut the pipe, and this is a malleable connector, and this is a compliant connector, and this is the kind of connectors that are needed over in the other side. From here, it then goes over here and up here into the building. This is the main building riser on the A side. So to get here, it went around all that way, whereas it could have made a much more direct route to the riser here. On the B side, we go to this area, and it comes from the boiler room and arrives at this location, which is the riser to the B side. Now the B side riser apparently drops pressure much faster than the A side, from 3 psi to 2.5 on the A side, and I don't know the numbers on the A side, but on the B side, but it apparently drops a lot faster. Pressure tested this, and I think this was probably a good test if they've shut off and all the stopcocks at each appliance on each unit. But on the A side, I'm suspicious that 1A, 2A fireplaces were not turned off, and they sent 3 psi up there, and it could have leaked through those stopcocks and hopefully not damaged them.